Aloha, and welcome to the UHWO Center. This video will provide you with an introduction to our services. Our mission is to promote lifelong learning for all students so that they may gain the skills necessary for effective, confident, and independent learning. We offer three main services: tutoring, testing, and workshops. Our physical location can be found in room B203 on the second floor of the University of Hawaii West Oahu Library. To find out more about our current services, or to schedule an appointment, you should swing by our new virtual front desk, located at bit.ly/UHWO Center. Our virtual front desk is open throughout our normal business hours, but please note that those hours may vary from semester to semester. To see our current hours, you can visit our website at westoahu.hawaii.edu/UHWO Center. The hours are listed at the bottom of the page. We offer free peer tutoring for all enrolled students. We cover almost every subject offered at the University of Hawaii West Oahu. We also provide help for presentations, resumes and job application materials, and graduate and scholarship applications. We strive to help you achieve your educational goals. All of our services are now available virtually and via face-to-face sessions. Be sure to check our website or stop by our virtual front desk for updates throughout the school year. Next, one of our tutors, Elijah, is going to provide you with some more information about our tutoring program.
We can provide tutoring one-on-one or in groups.
We offer both in-person tutoring and distance tutoring through Zoom.
Zoom is best as it allows for tutoring sessions to be conducted in real time, almost like a face-to-face session. Screen sharing and virtual whiteboards allow us to share documents and resources as well. After making an appointment, you receive a link to the session. No funky downloads needed. For writing, email feedback is also an option. You can send us a draft using our online submission form. Input your info and tell us what you'd like feedback on. It usually takes 2 to 3 business days to get your draft back, so please plan ahead. Phone tutoring may also be available. To schedule an appointment, give us a call at 808-689-2750 or use our appointment request form. If you're facing any challenges accessing distance tutoring, please reach out via phone or email so we can work together to find a solution.
Thanks, Elijah. Our appointment request form is located on our website, just below the online submission form for writing tutoring. Up next, we have our UHWO Center Tutor Coordinator, Dr. Robin Tasaka, with some important reminders.
Alright, here are some tips to keep in mind. Be sure to schedule ahead of time. Once the semester's in full gear, spots for tutoring appointments fill up quickly. If you'd like to set up a tutoring appointment, please call or submit the appointment request form. We're always happy to assist you.
Thanks, Robin. As mentioned earlier, we also offer testing services. Here's our testing services coordinator, Kaiolani, to provide a little more information.
The Test Center now provides service to all University of Hawaii students, including placement testing, course exams, makeup exams, and tests that require accommodations. A valid photo ID is required to access your exam material, and you can schedule your appointment online at registerblast.com/UH-WEST-OAHU. The website's listed below, so hit pause if you need a second to jot this down. Next, here's Nick to talk about workshops.
In addition to tutoring and testing, we also offer a series of online student success workshops. Our online workshops cover an array of topics, including avoiding plagiarism, literature reviews, oral presentations, and AP formatting. You can access these workshops on your laptop or mobile devices. Each workshop is linked to a quiz if you want to show your professor proof of completion. Try out one of our interactive workshops today.
Thanks, Nick. And now, some spotlights on our student engagement team.
Aloha, my name is Trudy Asato, and I am the Student Conduct Officer here at UHWO. UHWO established a student code of conduct to ensure the protection of student rights, and the health and safety of the UH-WO community, as well as to support the efficient operation of UH-WO programs and activities. The Student Code of Conduct prohibits certain conduct and is meant to be educational, not adversarial. Please contact me at tasato7@hawaii.edu. That's TASATO7@hawaii.edu. Or you can call me at 689-2936. To learn more about the Student Code of Conduct, its process, and the prohibited conduct, please visit our website at westoahu.hawaii.edu/studentconduct/. Mahalo.
My name is Stacy. I'm the campus health nurse at UH-WO. My office is located on the second floor of the C building. My hours are Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you need me at another time, you can always email me at skelly3@hawaii.edu. I do have services such as COVID information, immunization questions, minor urgent care, those types of things. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you need any healthcare services. I'm happy to help, and I'm your healthcare auntie. Mahalo.
Hi, my name is Christina Pascua-Galdiano, and I am the Coordinator of Disability Support and Success here at UH West Oahu. I am here to help provide a supportive environment where students with disabilities can achieve academic success through reasonable accommodations and other supports that are tailored to each student's needs. If you are a student that lives with a disability and would like more information on our disability office, please see my contact information below. I look forward to working with you.
Aloha, I'm Stephen Taketa, clinical psychologist at the University of Hawaii, West Oahu. We offer free and confidential mental health services to all of our enrolled students, even couples counseling. Whether you're dealing with a psychological disability or illness, or just want our help to make the most out of your education, please contact us. Making an appointment is easy. Just email UHWOtalk@hawaii.edu. That's UHWOTALK@hawaii.edu, or call 689-2661. If you're in an emergency, please call 911. Please help us to make sure that 100% of our students know that you can get free and confidential mental health services while you are attending our university. I look forward to meeting you, and I look forward to making our mental health clinic a part of your journey at UHWO. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Taketa, and thank you, our viewers, for joining us on this introduction to our tutoring center and services. Now that you know a little bit more about who we are and what we offer, we hope you'll stop by and see us sometime. Take care.